Ahaye GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news in Kwanamide, Bremo. So when you subscribe to the channel, let's just say over subscribe. Now, what like it, what the other say over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. We understand new video piano or sa ever can be. I feel we are now, what like video, give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for so now when you're now working. Afriyie and some other door your console. Dr. Matthew Upoku prepare Dr. Mahama Addo Bawumia father saying running mate. And then I want it outdoor no to say one fan to my grad and it says on a running mate and my Bawumia. The president and I would done Akufo Addo Bawumia in some to the Akupio Mediana say. And in some no Bawumia or Bawumia about so I would say Bawumia no a banker and or father by not anybody so or put my son to say Bawumia ohun fusubia wono ho na bimu do ene Akufo Addo o prezi Bawumia no de na po so nsem atuda na chantema yinkutie Akufo Addo na sana no so na Akufo Addo o de tuja se o si wada sore ya ngotia Mahama so na di free SHS ne bai Akufo Addo gala yinkutie rizaba o de atuda yinkutie rizaba
kumasi fo ma won se mani ache papa Any jedia, and any jedia, Cassia, Emma, and Pipia Mayoko. Mediano Diano, Akakra, somebody Banavia. I saw I think before Yakotina, I saw the idea Macuniano and the sentence. Namu ni Pakro. Yewra Mahama Addo Bawumia. Ono ye yi no. Ono so de na nsa. O de two penifo anim. Said your pese of the camel ho e Kwaku Annan no. Eye Matthew Opoku Prempe. Anu ti ni aba ha ne. Amomia ka dia baako. Onipa yene ne yesi akan NDC for penye Fibra ye chassis here to aba Fourth Republic 1992 Jerry Rawlings ye man kwan ma ofuro konwa no premier no John Ajekum Kufo ye man kwan ma ofuro konwa no premier no Nana Addo Akufo Addo. No, na all pray. See a man of quine. Only by young pray. Tell him, I said, I'm out of Fawako. Young Fano Corner, and Fano Cotra, and Fano Corner, and Fano Cotra. Okasa to say, Yenino. Oh, you live for our Oba. Yahoo is our word mother. Yahoo is our word mother. Yeah, who is our mother? The nothing you can't say all see form. Yeah, you know, a Jumano, all to me, yeah, and me young for so. I said, you're going to find out of you. Ready 1 year they walk on. Not say me, yeah, you was say, yeah, Baba Tower, you know. And then my Baba has a Baba MP before, when you know, Obia, and for Bakoye, and tie. Sample you for me no echi. Want you way and Tamoa. You could him Diano and by Alpha. The Samo about to a bay. So where I say, you're finding your Anton Chay. You're far back and time Mamma Samo about to a bay. So where I say, you're finding your Anton Chay. You're far back and time Mahama Addo Bawumia and Matthew Poku Prempe echi. So be what Ghana. I'll be to me a decent when you form me a new who are dance here. I am me, Nana Addo Akufo Addo. Men are going to be one word. Here about me. Not your bank. What's your Bank of Ghana? Adrian Ho, and a Juma Pepe. And I'm for my family. You can find no so umbra politics no. I'm not gonna say no one. Nelson otie Nyankopɔn ebedi mechi obaye nso fumso mi hu fumso bia e wonafa mi hu fumso bia e wonafa onumi ananti pepepe ekwaya obi ne ba betumi ananti ma ye fe no sana Bawumia ne me etumi ananti ma ye fe okane no kra kire me ogwie na dwen kire me na dwen mu so adɔ papa apa anadu fe bia me koda me ndanse me jese Bawumia oye de o simase o tumas dabi enu bia ma loyal, straightforward, honest, hard-working, excellent vice president of Ghana, the best vice president we have had in our country. Sinameka says, so be what Ghana how bet me a D. Bawumia wa dansia eyeme. Na minim say adwuma Ghana for madaroma Nyankopon prince wa. But the Bible say nsano. Eye adwuma obetumi aye ama aye fe. Ema koso a ya hwehwe wo Ghana no akoso aba. Ansa no oba no. Ye raba Mahama. Okojina baby before. Yeah there. Obi ofri si entimi bedi anim da. Na nama yene nam no ye dada no. Edubre na ehia no a ye fa ma no on ti sami ana edubo ina na Akufo a ye manfre na so na ni awu wona ni awu na wonu tabia wona ni bewu sa ye ba ye bia esi etumi ye mo ta se won we bia ba what has and one way be aba? Opening Afriyie says the buy. What both watching ya can I be beer and your horn no can. And answer as well as a gun of war so move. I can't be anywhere. But me as a gun of war you were or say a ne or no and a buy. What will be that? Hey, ampa. Obey you say you were refuse or Ghana for. Now we say ne NDC penny or say or no NODS and free senior high school ebaye. Now if you had one boy at you who sa or say 2 billion cedis or no 2 billion cedis and yet free education not the bear. You be papa be was inside over there. Na say net there who sampa free SHS no e hia Ghana for on kase offer me bo mame they here offer me bo mame na kase say na who give them you father no bo mame Matthew Poku Prempe moi muni pano no e wo komasia next year 2012 me and the director of elections of my campaign for me me who be a branch who atche na 2016 abano ba mafano baba ya government and the catch and say free SHS policy are the biggest legacy of our government. The person me this shit on no sa no share so betumi aye because me dem nim say obetumi aye ama baso na ye wanye ema broso ene Mahama si ono ene de bai ebio ye to aba no 2012 eba na Fabio no na me say mesisa no na me na call Ministry of Energy. Also wakwa waye dwuma a eso ani dumso woni aka no ne bo dumso bia ma Yes, there have been a few occasions. But we're bombarding Amma. Say, power in our countries allowed. Jamaica said, so be what Ghana how to be a D Sanko for me and one dance here. I am men another down Kweku Annan. Now me say Ghana for so volunteer masam. Volunteer masam. Now to me now you have pray 7th December no. Then from Mahama Addo Bawumia and Matthew Poku Prempe. One and a bit to me a trade manasi. And this is in follow. Say, Yantiasia. Say, me say, me to me Gyamfi Emma. Now go for one and Jimmy waiting here to be a mayor, but me and my child. Only Papa the two were Kunyaso. I think I may have been born, you have a Kunyaso, Ambassador, Ambassador. When, the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Namujawomu, Musowomu, na 7th of December. Samu, Bobia and Tnefi. So Biako, Lokotunaba, Yatoba, Emma, Bawumia, and in Napo. One between your 12 rounds. Now, when Yakubo Samunya.
Yo, for waiting and somewhere here, the president, Nanado Akufo Addo was the trigger will cook you or no money or to be money a year. John Drawani Mahama, which is a free estate as a or don't let it buy Mahama or don't let it buy. And I am simply Nanado the home self after. Nana see a pet and a year, Dr. Mahama Addo Bawumia, so they need some other trigger if I am a pool. Now, 80 a year, Bawumia also needs some of the trigger. Until Bawumia and some.
Ministers of State, Members of Parliament, National Chairman, General Secretary, National Executives, Ashanti Regional Chairman, Regional Chairman, our MMDC CEOs, members of the media, Jama, ladies and gentlemen, Michia Munyina, Ene, Eye, Enijieda, Mijinaha Emma MPP Osono Amanyoko say mini Frankatuni for 2024 presidential election. Your party, your core polling station election, your core electoral area, constituency, regional, national elections, your core presidential primaries. Nansei and Chebia Nameko National Council as presidential candidate. Eko country omuse me running mate. Oho omunyina ejitumu. Na we abekire se MPP ye internal elections ninyina abewi ye. We are now a well-oiled machine for the 2024 presidential campaign. Abaya yebeto 2024 ye yedachi abana yebeto. It is about the future. And what choice was our election him. Say the yepese ye koe ni manase yepese ye sanchi. Because election is a choice between former President John Mahama and the current flag bearer and Vice President Dr. Bawumia. That is the choice. A choice between the future and the past. The past president won't honor the president pen, and he failed. Me a vice president, me president, but obieji to me say, me I am the most effective vice president in the history of Ghana. Obia ejitum, NDC for omujitum, vice president omoba Ghana have from independence, unya vice president away juma asin Dr. Mahama Addo Bawumia. Enti yedachi abana yebetu 2024 election. It's about going forward or going backwards. the future or the past. Whether we want digital transformation or nkuko kiti kiti. That is the choice between us. Mupese muko digital ana nkuko kiti kiti. Yeah, ko digital. Enyasa. Enti me pese me di nshishe bebre fufroba. Because we share MPP under the leadership of Nana Addo Akufo Addo. Yaye Juma under very trying circumstances. And yes, sir, COVID buyer, Ukraine war buyer, and then we are singing our buyer. But Osha Juma MPP, yeah, at least as chairman of the economic management team, met me say without any fear of contradiction that MPP, our performance on the economy is superior to John Mahama's performance on the economy. Far superior. We share indicators now, and we will be getting into our records. They don't want to talk about records. We will talk about the record. Every area, virtually every area, we are superior in performance than the NDC. Superior. Ushe Dumsoa, we are superior. We perform better. And yes, sir, agricultural growth, we perform better. Industrial growth, we perform better. And yes, sir, job creation, we perform better. Ushe roads, we perform better. Railways, we perform better. Hospitals, we perform better. Classrooms, we perform better. Fish landing sites, we perform better. Zonal development, we perform better. Court buildings, we perform better. Digitalization, we perform better. Ghana card, mobile money interoperability. So it is clear that as far as the economy is concerned, we have challenges. But when you put our record against John Mahama's record, our record is superior. And we will challenge them any day to bring their record on every sector. But me pese me di inshishe fufroba to build on the record of Nana Addo Akufo Addo. To build on that record. Me pese me di new vision eba. La anu me ma speech wa UPSA. Me seti out the new vision for Ghana. And yet the manifesto betuja next month. And also ba obiya behu the details of the new vision are made. But to do that work and to go for this election, na yemra ne chere se just a mehwehwe mabedi echire. Enya sa enti ushe MPP said your tradition no etie no. Your tradition no is one of inclusion. Obia kabomu ena yeti MPP. Yeti UP tradition. National Liberation Movement. Northern People's Party. Muslim Association Party. Togoland's Congress Party. Ganshimo Fomokpe Parti. Nina kabomu na omuye MPP. Enti yemra no echrese ye pese obia kaho. Enti MPP ye yi presidential candidate na ofori safa ye kosrem na ye ko yini vice president. Enya sa ye the only party in Ghana ye was amrano. The only party. And also say ye a presidential candidate na ofri srema ye beba serve abe ye a vice presidential candidate. And yes sir. And also MPP ye Monia ye be ye vice presidential candidate or ye Christoni. MPP nkwa the whole of Ghana political parties yankwana yamratesa ushe MPP nkwa the whole of Ghana political parties yankwa na yamratesa we share and then we owe it to the founders of this party JB Dankwa the tradition JB Dankwa we share Edward Akufo Addo Okahubi Araram Ponsa we share the elders Abaifa Kabo SD Dombo K.A. Buzia Omunyina SD Anto Omunyina Kahubi William Ofori Atta Omunyina Kahubi na Omotiti Party enti J. Akufo Annan na Akufo Addo Omunyina Kahubi enti we owe them a debt of gratitude. We owe them and we thank them and we'll continue thanking them for bringing this party into existence. Ushasua, in selecting my vice presidential candidate, Mishesh Obia Obetmi Abuami, na yetmi wini election yi. Midiye na miye academic, miye banker, and mi ba government mu as vice president. Mishesh Obia Obeba Buami with experience from the legislative branch. Now mami complementarity. Ene Mishesh Nipanoa Mishisha Ushe Mishe Obiswa Oba Obebuaya ne wini election no Mishisha Ghana Henyina se Mishisha Obia Obebuamia Meni Beto Ashanti region na Ebeto Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe aka Napo Owonim Ninimdiano Edosu. Minino Ananti for the last 16 years. Me were high respect for him. He's a problem solver. He's a generational thinker. Elinti minimse, minino, we share the same vision. Minimse, obeyema de bedi chira, yebet miaye juma, and bring bold solutions for the people of Ghana. And I have every confidence in Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe. Our ticket is a ticket of youth, of experience, of innovation, and of generational thinking. It's only a ticket, no. We are bringing it to the people of Ghana to help us move Ghana to the next generation. And ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you and I introduce to you my running mate, the vice presidential candidate, Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe.
Yo, whatever, when and summer, Dr. Mahama Addo Bawumia or the Tuga, the Pohun Sema or the Tuga Sasso, the president, and other than Kwaku Addo, the executive what woman, John Dramani Mahama. The guy was just and our channel, 7 million subscribers. Message say over subscribe or no like you now for you share video no ama often for so any be now what those who meet me actually again Afriyie and some way now who comment box me mobeti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.